Hi everyone, it's me, the wig medic, yet again. Okay, so this baby here is one of my wigs. I've used her so much. I know you feel used, but it's okay. Don't worry. She absolutely stinks as well. Where I don't smoke anymore, I can smell the smoke off her. I think I've been sick with her on as well, to be quite honest. People in Texas know I'm a bit of a party girl, so yeah. So anyway, she served me really well, but as you can see, she feels like crap. I cut this ridiculous fringe into her hair for doing this 70s look, and I kind of destroyed it. She's got a braid going on and all sorts, but yeah, she's white on the root for some weird reason. I'm not even going to ask. Let's not even go there. Moving on very quickly. So it's nice that I can actually do a wig for me for a change. So I'm going to get my Sag Magique out. So I've got, let's see, this wig. Yeah, so this wig here, this has got some tracks left in it. So I will pick these out, but I just want to show you briefly. Okay, mini track. This isn't what I was talking about, but let me just talk to you about it. So I'll be sewing the long hair tracks into this wig, dotting around. And I think this colour, oh there's one. Here's one I prepared earlier. So these tracks will be sewn in here. This has got brown going through it as well. So when that's set, that's going to look really beautiful. So that's one colour. We have got an actual, kind of like a chestnut brown. So I'm going to sew some of this into the hair. I've got a bit of copper. Oh, lots of copper. So I'm going to sew, my bag's always such a mess. I just dump all the remnants in there, and I'll, like this, I'll use it at some point. So I'm going to put a bit of copper through it as well. What else? There's similar colours to that. I don't know if I might use some of this, I don't know yet. But I really fancy having like a white streak over that side. So I wear my fringe, this is why this drives me insane. So I wear it that direction, so I'm going to sew a big chunk of white in there because I think it would look hot. So that's the plan. As you can see, I have got loads of wigs that I'm going to be working on, but that's all to come. Yes, I hate that wig. Oh my god, it drives me insane. Nothing goes with it at all. Ugh, horrible thing. But I will make it work. Definitely, definitely, definitely. So, yeah. But anyway. So I'm going to be sewing lots of brown hair into this baby and some copper. I am going to be cutting her a bit shorter, getting rid of all that crap ends, washing her, putting some perfume and deodorant on her. Yeah. Hey everyone, right, okay, so I'm back, supporting a bit of the local queen. You know who you are. Okay, so I've done her. She's all done. I've sewn so much hair into her. I have put the coppers, the browns. I opted against the white. It was making what happened was I put the white into it and I took it out because the white was making this look too golden. So I wasn't happy with that. So let me just lower her down a bit. So I've sewn loads of hair into this area. We've got coppers and we've got browns. It just meshes really, really well. Spin her around. And I've done loads of different size curls because I wanted loads of different textures. I haven't actually brushed all this out yet. So, but yeah, they're looking big. It's big hair. Do you want me to put it on for a second? Okay, stay there. Boom. I'd wear it like this. I'd have the side up a bit. Too much hair around there. I'd look like Aslan from, you know, the Witch and Wardrobe thing. Yeah. Narnia. So yeah, I'd wear it to the side. I think it would be quite cute on the side. Nice little pin, some flower, maybe hydrangea or nasturtium. So yeah, that's... But look how thick she is. Amazing! Revamped, refreshed, and brought back to life. See you soon, my lovelies. Bye!